No dieting, no starvation, no hormone disruption, no stress. There is a way to sleep so your body can start burning fat while you sleep. So stay with me to the end. If you eat this salad today, I guarantee you, tomorrow you'll wake up 2 pounds lighter. This remedy is very healing as a standalone recipe. It will have a much greater impact on your weight loss journey. At the end, I'll share with you the exact recipe and show you how I actually make it. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. If you've been battling stubborn belly fat or extra pounds and tried every single diet and exercise under the sun without results, then this video is for you. There's one organ quietly working behind the scenes that holds the key to your weight loss breakthrough. The biggest filter and the best detox powerhouse of your body, your liver. And when you support it, everything changes. So if you've been focusing on cutting calories, cutting your carbs, working out, but everything else but addressing your liver, you've been really missing the true starting point. So what is the solution? And if you guessed already that it has to do with the liver, you're absolutely right. We need to support our liver holistically. And here I'm talking about focusing on 2 things. First, regenerate liver cells so they do a better job for us, and improve bile flow and quality. So that's 3 things. So bile moves toxins out of the liver, supports digestion, and breaks down fats. Without strong bile flow, fat-soluble toxins recirculate. So you walk around bathing in your own toxins. And as a result, fat loss becomes nearly impossible. To make this happen, I use 3 natural ingredients. Each plays a vital role in this protocol. Number 1 is milk thistle seeds. Number 2 is sunflower lecithin. And number 3, you'd be surprised to learn what number 3 is, because every single one of you watching this video right now has it in your kitchen. In just a moment, I'll break down exactly how much and when to take each, so stay with me because the specifics matter. Step 1, milk thistle seeds. Not in a capsule form, not in a powder form, whole milk thistle seeds. This is important. So you want to take 1 teaspoon twice a day, always with food. Step 3 is a liquid sunflower lecithin. It is important that it is in a liquid form, not powder, not any other form. And you want to start adding 1 tablespoon of liquid sunflower lecithin to the largest meal of the day. You can drizzle it over a salad, mix it into a soup, or even blend it in a smoothie. How long should you follow this protocol? Commit to 30 days. That's it. 1 month of showing up for your liver every single day. So this was the first and one of the biggest actionable steps in my Drop 10 in 30 series, how to lose 10 pounds in 30 days, and most importantly, how to keep them off. And it is the one that most experts and people miss entirely. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to a magic pill for hormone and weight balance. And you know what the best part is? That it is free and available to everyone. And right this second, you have it in you. This magic pill I'm referring to is sleep. Sleep is directly related to weight gain and weight loss. There are studies that show that just 1 poor night's sleep leads to cravings for junk foods and sweets, which makes us consume an average of extra 150 to 300 calories. When it comes to sleep and weight loss, there's a very specific 4-hour time slot during which our body can effectively turn on fat burning. And all we need to do is be asleep during this time. During our deepest sleep phase, we experience a suppression of ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropin hormone produced by pituitary gland, whose job is to raise cortisol levels. So suppression of ACTH leads to drop in cortisol levels. Lower cortisol levels lead to increase in production of HGH, human growth hormone, which is, ready? This is how we can burn fat by default while we sleep. Okay, let's quickly recap. Let's gather all the puzzle pieces together. You're allowing your body to naturally suppress ACTH levels, which leads to lower cortisol levels, which leads to increased levels of growth hormone, which turns on fat burning. And as a result, you lose weight while you sleep on autopilot. In today's video, I'm sharing a recipe of a salad that is so simple yet so powerful for weight loss. This natural approach works for all age categories, but it comes especially helpful for those women who are 35 plus because that's the age our hormones start playing tricks on us, making it very difficult to lose weight and actually make us gain weight, especially around our belly. This is more than just a salad. I suggest you use it as your offload day meal, a kind of reset your body actually responds to. What that means is you're going to be eating the salad all day, only the salad, nothing else, at least once a week. Notice the oil I'm using is MCT oil, garlic for detox, and of course, sauerkraut, the body of the salad. This is it. This is what I call a mono meal, a mono diet approach. One simple meal, powerful impact. And if you want more healing recipes like this one, better yet, organized for you into a healing plan, you need my Gut Rebalance Cookbook. I'll put the link below. If you're a woman over 35 with the belly fat that won't budge, no matter how hard you try, this nighttime drink may finally change it for you. Today's remedy is a powerful nighttime adaptogenic drink which will help you reset hormones responsible for stalling your weight loss. Things like cortisol, insulin, leptin, estrogen, while gently signaling to your body that it's okay to let go of stored fat. I call this drink an MMM, which stands for Metabolic Moon Milk, because it does exactly that. It balances your metabolism while you sleep, and the base of it is this creamy, delicious, gut-friendly milk. It has 7 healing foods as ingredients, and the chances are you have all of them in your kitchen right this moment. The last signature ingredient is probably one of my favorites in this drink because it's so unique and it has been known for centuries for its unique healing benefits. It's such a great mood stabilizer. It increases production of serotonin. And that is my MMM drink. Oh, almost forgot a cherry on top. One last ingredient I forgot to mention. Oh yeah, how do you want to drink my Metabolic Moon Milk? 1 hour before bed for at least 30 days or longer if needed, and watch your body transform. And let me know in the comments if you're drinking this tonight. And don't forget to subscribe for my next video in this series because you know what? We're just getting started. Cheers.